So here we go. Opinion writing. Part one. So we're going to have a part one, an introduction to tell people what is we're writing about and what our opinion is. So we have some sentence starters here to help us out. And you can see here it says, my opinion is that. So I'm going to write that on my paper over here. My opinion is that. And then what is it? What is it I'm writing about? Now I was thinking we could write about the Reader's Theatre plays. So I'm going to say, for example, my opinion is that the Little Red Hen movie is so good. That's my opinion. The Little Red Hen movie is so good. And now I'm going to go on to the next part. So I told my opinion. Now I'm going to give the reasons. Why do I think that? And it says here, my first reason. My first. Look, there it is. My first reason. Reason is. Oh, my first reason for saying this. So my first reason for my opinion is dot dot dot. I don't need the dots. Oops, that's a mistake. My first reason for saying is that it was funny. And then I'm gonna go to my next reason. My next reason is, so this paper is helping me start each of my sentences so I know what to write. And then I just add the part at the end of the sentence. My next reason is that my next reason is the characters were all interesting. There we go. They were all interesting. Another reason, I'm going back to this paper loop. I'm going to come down a little bit. The next one is another reason. So let's go back to this. So I'm just going to keep writing until another reason is that everyone read with expression. So everybody's voices had really great expression and we knew how the characters were feeling. I'm going to put an exclamation mark. And then let's see what it says next. I could put another one. My final reason. My final reason. Final would be the last reason. Final reason is that I don't need that capital there. It made me happy to watch. So there we go. I have all my reasons ready. My final reason is it made me happy to watch it. Now let's see what the next part is, the ending and conclusion. Now I can pick one of these. I can pick 1, 2, or 3. I hope you agree with me. I really think you should do this. If you have any more questions, ask me. I'm going to say the middle one. I really think you should watch it too. I think you will love it. There we go. So So that's my review of, and I might put this, Little Red Hen Review by Mr. Lang. There we go. And maybe I'll draw a picture of the little red hen over here. So there we go. That's my Little Red Hen review. Now, you could write a review about one of our Readers Theatre plays too. You could write your opinion on a book, a movie, a country, a place, a restaurant, anything you like, really. My opinion is that Chuck E. Cheese is the best restaurant. My opinion is that Saudi Arabia is the best country. My opinion is that pizza is the best food. My opinion is that swimming is the best sport. My opinion is that Roblox is the best game. So many different things you could write about. So have fun writing your opinion, and hopefully this paper will help you. See you soon.